Hello, this is Mooji with Mooji Truck Sales. We just sold this beautiful truck. It's a 2018 International with 212,000 miles. And the customer requested service and oil change. And so we asked Rolando with 0.247. He's a mobile mechanic. He works with diesel trucks. Rolando, please tell us about the oil change.
Hi, how are you, Mooji? How are you, everybody? I'm Rolando from Point 24/7. He always calls me when he sell trucks to make sure your customer take the better truck and quality and truck. And this today we did the oil services. We showed you what we do in this truck. We check the oil components like water, air leaks, brake chambers, and we replace our oil, fuel filter. We check kingpins. We check coolant, we check tires, rear brakes, and we adjust brakes too. We check all the lights, rear doors, so the customer can take the truck ready to work.
So Rolando, just one more time, what does the oil change include? It includes the service.
Oil, filters from the oil, air filters, and fuel filters, and brake adjustment, and the oil inspection of the truck.
Air filters is extra. And how much does all of that cost?
For the oil changes at $340, and in case if we go into your place, we charge $85 to call fee.
So $85 for mobile service, and about $67 for the fuel for the filter, for the air filter.
The filter in this truck, sometimes change. That one is $95 because it's a special filter.
$95 for this one. And you also grease the joint?
We grease all the truck around. We check the kingpins, we check everything, the brake chambers and air hoses and lights.
So if you are buying a diesel truck or any vehicle, it's important to do your oil change and service right away. Pacoima. And we're going to put the address in the description.
Thank you.